If cleaning your bathroom feels like a never ending job, I want to show you the simple system that helped me keep ours clean without spending hours deep cleaning every week. The secret isn't cleaning more, it's cleaning a little before things get bad. I'm a wife, a mom to three boys under the age of 10, so trust me, our bathroom gets used a lot. And with little boys, little accidents happen almost every day. Over the years, I have learned that waiting until everything is dirty only makes the job bigger and the smells even worse. So instead, I spend just 3 to 5 minutes each day keeping on top of it. I always start with the toilet. I spray inside the bowl, on top, around it, and especially underneath. That area catches tiny spills that are easy to ignore, but over time they build up into this yellow stains and unpleasant smell. While the spray is working, I give the toilet a quick brush, then I wipe everything down using either my dedicated black toilet cloth or disposable tissue paper if I'm in a hurry. Once the toilet is done, I wipe the mirror. That usually takes less than 30 seconds. I always clean the sink last because that's where I rinse my clothes while cleaning the toilet. Then I spray around the toilet base, cleaning the corners, wipe the floor around it, and empty the bathroom bin if need be. One rule that works in our home is we never throw used diapers into the regular bathroom bin because they start smelling very quick. Also, if your toilet sits on the floor like mine instead of the ones that are hanging on the wall, do not forget to clean underneath and around every corner. Those hidden areas collect more dirt than we can realize or even imagine. Finally, I spray the bathtub. I leave the cleaner to work for a few minutes and then I wash it off, just rinse it with a shower head. On Wednesdays is when I give my bathtub a light scrub, and on Friday or Saturdays a deep clean depending on the week. Another habit that has really helped us is this. After every shower, we quickly rinse and dry the walls of the shower and also rinse the walls of the bathtub. That simple habit slows down the soap scum and dirt from building up to my next cleaning day. So before I leave, I check the bath mat. I hang the wet towels properly. I replace hand towels if needed. I wipe the floor and make sure everything goes back where it belongs. This is because fresh dirt is always easier to clean than old dirt. Do not leave small messes. With three boys, believe you me, I have learned not to wait for cleaning day. If someone spills toothpaste, misses the toilet a little, or splashes water around the sink, I wipe it there and then. Most of the time, this only takes less than 10 seconds. I'm also teaching my boys to wipe after themselves. They are not perfect yet, but I would rather teach them the habit now than trying to correct it when they are adults. One thing that has made a huge difference for me over the years is keeping surfaces as dry as possible. Moisture will create watermarks and soap scums, and unpleasant smells will follow. A quick wipe only takes a few seconds, but it saves a lot of cleaning time later. Everyone helps. This isn't just my bathroom, right? It's our family bathroom. So everyone has a role to play, no matter how small it may seem or look. My boys are learning to flush properly, brush away any stains in the toilet bowl, hang their towels, and leave the bathroom ready for the next person. So in our house, we simply say, be kind to the next user. Whether you're using the toilet pot, the sink, or the bathtub, just think about the next person coming after you and try to leave the place like you met it or better than how you met it. They are not there yet, they are still learning, but every little habit makes a difference. I've realized something, favorite. A clean bathroom isn't really about cleaning or deep cleaning. It's about consistency. Little habits every day save me from exhausting deep cleaning sessions. Even when I used to work my 9 to 5, I would do this quick reset of before jumping into the shower and prepare myself for work. It only takes or it only took 3 to 5 minutes of my time, but it made the rest of my week so much easier. And I know that every family is different. Some homes have one bathroom, one toilet, others have three, and even more. So please do not feel like you have to copy everything I am sharing. Take what works for your home, leave what doesn't. And if you have children, or if you're married and have a husband, or you have a partner, please get them involved too. You don't have to carry the whole house on your own. So before I go, I would love to hear this from you. What's that one bathroom habit that has made your life easier? Please share it in the comment sections because we can all learn from one another. And if you're trying to create a peaceful home without burnout or feeling overwhelmed, I would love for you to stay here. So please go ahead and like the video, share it, and of course subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I will see you in my next one. And remember, God loves you very much.